Hi there everyone, happy Monday. Welcome back to another week of cards. My name is Misty from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me today. So I have an unboxing for you. I picked up the limited edition Valentine's Day or Valentine kit from Simon Says Stamp. I did not get the February kit, and like I mentioned, it's not really my style, but this one absolutely is. Going forward, I'm not going to promise 10 cards for these kits. Just because I'm ready to leave the other kit behind and ready to move on to this one. So I am going to show you some ways to use this kit, but I'm not going to promise you 10 cards, and I hope that that is okay with you. So before we go any further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell if you're interested in watching me make some cards. You have until Friday, February 1st to pick up any Valentine's themed or February themed stickers from Planning with the Elf. I'll have all that linked down below, along with the information for the card sale. I sell my handmade cards, and right now I have them all for $3 a piece. So yeah, so let's get started. So this is sold out. It's no longer available. If you want to make sure that you are aware when Simon puts out these limited edition kits, make sure you sign up for their newsletter. That's the best way. And if you're a newsletter subscriber, you normally get a whole entire day before somebody who isn't. So let's get started. So first we're gonna get some crafty tacky glue. So this is their Simon Says Stamp brand. I'm sure they private labeled it, but got some glue. Got this cute little pouch. Put some goodies in. It's really cute. You always get some kind of candy. We got the Pebbles cardstock shapes. If you guys watched my Valentine's Day haul, I already got these, so I'm excited to get more because I'm obsessed with these sloths. So I'm really excited for those. Get some little envelopes and little cards. Really, really cute, so you can make little Valentines. This one came with 2 stamp sets, so you get this big one, and you guys know why I had to have it. Sloth, hedgehogs. These are all really, really cute. I don't know who designed this one, but such cute. And I also love that you can use this for other times rather than just Valentine's Day. I mean, she could be sending a birthday card. He could be sending birthday roses. You know, it is Valentine's themed. That doesn't mean that it's just for Valentine's. And this is called The Sweetest. So you can get the stamp sets, you just can't get the kit. And this one's called Love Notes, and it is Valentine's theme. So really, really cute. We get a couple of dies, it looks like. Oh, the hedgehog. I think these are they're storybook dies. So here's the sloth, and then here's a hedgehog. Really cute. Get some paper, and this is again the Pebbles designer series paper that I showed you. I think this is the Simon Says Stamp, their brand of glitter paper. This stuff is never in stock. I've tried several times to get some, but it's like never ever in stock. But I love it. Just feels really smooth. I think die cuts width of you also make some glimmer paper or glitter paper just like this. And then I showed you guys the patterns, but if you missed that video, I'll show you again. So cute. I love the llama. I just love how bright and fun these are. Just so cute. Sloth. I love the cookies. I think they're cute too. So that's the designer series paper or the pattern paper. You'll have to forgive me. I'm so used to calling it designer series paper because of Stampin' Up, but I know most companies just call it, you know, pattern paper. So we get some card stock, gray, a red, and white. I think this is Audrey blue, and then a pink. So really fun, really cute. Again, it was limited edition, so you can't get the entire kit, but again, you can get the stamp sets, and you can also buy the Pebbles stuff. So yeah, so really quick and simple video from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I will be back on Wednesday with some cards. Again, I'm not going to tell you how many because I don't even know. I'm actually filming this on Saturday. I just got this kit today, and I'm completely redoing my craft room again. I shouldn't say that. I bought some shelving and stuff to go on my desk. to add some vertical storage. So my craft room is a mess again. So I'm gonna get that done, and then I will get some filming done for you guys next week. So thanks so much, guys. I will see you on Wednesday. Bye for now.